Hi guys, great to have you watching. In the current episode, we will discuss fraction addition and subtraction simplified. Let's jump straight into today's fun. We have these two fractions, 8 over 5 and 9 over 2. And we want to add them, multiply the first top times the second bottom. So we have 8 times 2, which is equal to 16. Multiply the first bottom times the second top. So we have 5 times 9, which is equal to 45. Now just add those two numbers. So we have 16 plus 45, which is equal to 61. Multiply the two denominators. So we have 5 times 2, which is equal to 10. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and join the community.